Hey everybody, so today I was thinking about doing a sort of witchy makeup look, and I thought, like, why not film it and share it with you guys, and then maybe I can inspire you for whatever you're gonna do for Halloween. And I think it would be better for me to start filming more of my looks instead of just doing a look, taking some pictures, and like washing it off. It feels like kind of a waste. So I kind of want to just like share a little more. Also, I may or may not have bought some new wigs, and I would love to do a look for this one. It's just like proper like swamp gothy. Oh, I love it. And it's got a little short fringe. Right, we'll set that off to the side for now, and we'll start with makeup-y things. So now I am a shiny little potato. We can start from the base and work up to that. So I'm going to put on some primer. At the moment I'm using this e.l.f. one. It's a tone adjusting face primer. So it's like green to get rid of the redness that is happening. It's okay. It's not amazing, but it's pretty good and it's cheap. So if anyone is wondering, Luna is here too. I don't think you can see her. She's curled up in a little ball right behind me. Luna! Oh. Right, so concealer. I recently got the Jeffree Star one. It is Magic Star in shade C2, I think. Yes. So it's super, super pale because I blend with the wall. I am very pale. But the packaging is so cute. I can't deal with that. I feel like I'm gonna magic wand. So we're gonna pop some of this on, cover up all these nasties. I know, my whole face, I know. And then we'll put some on the nose and the eyes, and we'll stick a little there too. And then blend that all in. I'm also gonna pop some foundation over this. Wow, I look sickly pale there, but my life, like literally. So I've got the Revolution Pro one. This one's okay. It's full coverage, and it's a really good price. Okay, so now that I'm covered in foundation, I'm gonna pop on some setting powder, and I've also got the new Jeffree Star one as well. So this is, again, Magic Star Fair. Cute packaging. This is the little component. Super cute. I quite like this powder. It makes your face feel really like silky. So whenever I do this and then put eyeshadow on, it's just like, ooh, very nice. Also, it smells really good. I've never had makeup that smells like I want to eat this. It smells like candy floss. Okay, so now we are all powdered up and we're not as shiny. We're a matte potato now. Things are gonna get a little weird now, a little spoopy. Right, so I'm just going through my palettes to decide which color to go for. I thought I'd show you a couple options as well, depending on what you're using. So I've got like a Revolution palette here, and I've also got a Morphe brushes one. But it's just black, just a black eyeshadow. So for instance, this one here, that would be fine. I'm gonna use the one from my Morphe one, which is in the very corner that's just there. I think they've got names. Pebble. You may also want to use maybe like some black eyeliner. I've got, again, an e.l.f. one. This is Intense Ink eyeliner. It's just a little felt tip. Or even some black face paint, which I think I have have somewhere. But we're gonna try with this eyeshadow and see how pigmented it is, and then see where we go. I'll probably be switching between some different brushes, so like just like a little fluffy brush, and possibly a more like bigger, medium kind of size. Okay, so now that I look like I've been eating charcoal, I'm gonna move on to the upper parts of my eyes and eyebrows. I'll probably be switching between colors for my eyebrows, but I'll also be using this brow palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So now that I have some crazy thick dark eyebrows, I'm gonna go in on the eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this other color from Morphe. So this one's called Frosty. It's right next to the black. It's like a burgundy, shimmery, metallic-y thing. Okay, so next I'm gonna do some highlighter. I'm using, I don't even know what this brand is. I found it in TK Maxx. Color Fix 2 Technic highlighter palette. And I'm just gonna use some of the darker ones down here, the bluey, gray kind of colors. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with that eyeliner that I mentioned before, the e.l.f. one. And I'm just going to do some really dramatic winged liner. Liner down, I'm just gonna pop on some mascara as well. I feel like that if you just like cover the bottom, it looks like, ooh, very nice. And then it's like, I have a beard made of charcoal. So I really want to do like some red blood coming from the eyes. I think I'm gonna go in with the eyeshadow first and see how that goes. I'm gonna go quite dark with the first one, so I'm gonna go with this shade here, which doesn't look as dark on camera as it does in person. But if not, I'll use the red surrounding that, and I've got a couple reds on this palette, this one, and this one. pop this lipstick over my lips. It is Full Throttle Lipstick by NYX. It is whatever this shade is. It's like FTLS 06. And it's just a super dark purpley kind of shade. And I think I'll do like a little demonic symbol on my forehead. I might make it bloody, so I'm gonna go in with this like really dark burgundy-ish reddish brown color here first. A little angle brush. And there. And go from there. I'm gonna add a little bit of this dark color into the eyes a bit as well. Put a little bit of the red around the upside down cross. So the same red I've used under my eyes to sort of I feel like there's no line to be like, this is too much, so I'm gonna take it further. I'm gonna do a few little like little lines, little vein bits. Okay, so now I'm gonna switch into a more witchy outfit and then try and sort this wig and see how it goes. So I've got this lacy look, and then I've got this hat as well. Super witchy, so depending on how the wig goes, I might stick that on with it as well. Right, what do we got? Let's see how this looks. Oh, we still got the tag on it. Oh, there's hair everywhere. I don't have scissors. Hold on. Let's actually put a wig cap on before we do this. Oh, or we could just leave it like this. Okay, so let's try this. Oh, that is a lot of hair. Okay, we got there. I'm just sort of like parting the fringe and like having it sort of disappear with the rest of the hair. I feel a little bit like I have really bad 5 o'clock shadow, so I might take this further and make this more dark. Okay, so this part isn't perfect. I probably should have put some foundation down first, but I'm thinking some lighting should change that. See, I imagine this would work good if you were out on Halloween or at a party where it's darker, or if you have a more pigmented black than me, because here it doesn't look as patchy. It makes your teeth look real white though. So much for watching. I hope this has helped give you some ideas, maybe helped inspired you, or made you think of a cool idea of what you want to be for Halloween. I might do another look, maybe not as spoopy, or spoopy, I don't know, and I'll see you all again soon.